Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever heard of Moringa tea? If you haven't, you're in for a treat. Moringa is often called the miracle tree, and for good reason. Let's dive into why Moringa tea should be your daily drink. First up, it's packed with nutrients. Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, plus minerals like calcium and potassium. Think of it as nature's multivitamin. And the antioxidants, they help combat oxidative stress, keeping you looking and feeling your best. Now, let's talk about energy. Unlike coffee, which can give you jitters, Moringa tea provides a steady energy boost. No crashes, just pure sustained vitality. Perfect for those busy days when you need to stay sharp and focused. Worried about inflammation? Moringa's got you covered. It contains compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body, which can alleviate symptoms of chronic conditions like arthritis. Plus, it's great for your digestive system, aiding in better digestion and gut health. And here's a sweet bonus, it might even help you shed a few pounds. Moringa can support metabolism and fat breakdown. So if you're on a weight loss journey, this tea could be your new best friend. Brewing Moringa tea is super easy. Just steep a teaspoon of dried moringa leaves in hot water for about 5-10 minutes. Add a slice of lemon or a dash of honey if you like. Enjoy it in the morning or as an afternoon pick-me-up, so why not give Moringa tea a try? With its amazing health benefits, it's the perfect addition to your daily routine. Cheers to your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.